Minasan, konnichiwa. Hello everyone. Welcome back to Postcards Texas. Watashi wa Hana desu. My name is Hannah, and today we're going to be talking about sentence structure. So stay with me. Alright, so the way sentence structure is like this. You have S-O-V. So that's subject, object, verb. So the way you do subject, object, verb is, alright, in Japanese, so you would do subject first, then you have a particle, then you do object, then a particle, then verb. So like say you're talking about like the main subject of the sentence. So you're talking about, say you're talking about yourself. So you say like watashi, or I did da-da-da. So I watch TV. So it's like I watch TV instead of I TV watch. So it's like the verb and the object are flipped from English to Japanese. So yeah. Next you can do this one. It's subject, object, place, verb. Yeah. So the way you would do that is you would go like this. Subject, particle, object, particle, place, particle, and then verb. Right? So subject of the sentence, so you're talking about, let's still do the TV one. So you're talking about yourself, right? I TV home watch. So like I watch TV at home. So you say I TV home watch. I watch TV at home. So place will always be after the object. The verb will always be on the end. So it won't ever change. So like let's say we do I watch TV at home. So you would say watashi terebe uchi mimasu. Sorry. Watashi terebe uchi imasu. I'm not putting the particles in there, I don't want to make it too complicated yet. So so you say I TV home watch. So yeah. You put particles in late I'm gonna do a video on how the different particles, so I can teach you how to put the sentence together, because usually each space in between the words will have a particle, but each particle is different depending on like what the particle is talking about. So we'll do that in the next video or something. Yeah, so I mean it's just a little bit different than English, just like the verb placement is like just flipped. So yeah, I just keep studying. Let me know how you're doing in Japanese, all your language stuff. Yeah, so I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give us a like, hit that subscribe button and the bell, and see you next time. Sayonara.